Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. FEC xPOS XP-3685 POS Machine Peripheral Quick View. Processor: Intel Core i5-7300U processor, 3M cache, up to 3.50 GHz. System memory: 4 GB standard, maximum 32 GB, 2x 260-pin DDR4. Power button with LED, red equals power adapter connected but system is off, blue equals system is on. Storage LED, orange equals flashing during storage activity. FEC xPOS XP-3685 comes with two variant Galaxy Gray with black, silver with black. Storage device: Celeron, 1x-M.2, B+M key, SATA 3 and PCIe, 1x-M.2, BM key, SATA 3 I3 and I5, 2x-M.2, B+M key, SATA 3 and PCIe. Construction: aluminum die casting plus plastic plus glass. Access storage device: 1. Make sure the system is turned off. If using RAID system, can be on. 2. Flip open the cover which is held together by magnets. 3. Remove the screws. 4. If you are using RAID, follow the below step. If not, skip this step. Make sure to flip the small switch to the right to turn off the power to the storage device. After the M.2 is inserted, flip the switch back to on. 5. Flip open the handle and slowly pull out the M.2 tray. Adding or removing M.2 from tray 1. Remove screw 2. Slowly slide out the M.2 module. Accessing the motherboard 1. Remove the 3 screws as shown below 2. Remove the bottom plastic away from the aluminum chassis. 3. Slide the display module 1 cm as shown below 4. Lift the display up. There will be cables between the panel and motherboard. Reach your hand in and disconnect the cables on the motherboard. Memory 1. Slightly pull to the memory socket to the left and right. The memory will pop up too. Remove the memory. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.